I'd like you to picture a pendulum swinging. The arc it swings through, that's your comfort zone in the middle, somewhere near the middle. And here's the part nobody tells you. Both ends are walls. One end is the thing you don't want, the fear, the hard call, the fee you want to talk yourself down on. Everybody knows that one. And the other is the thing you do want, the high, the win, the moment it finally feels good. But that one is a wall too, because the higher you swing toward it, the harder you begin to worry about it swinging back the other way. So you spend your days pushing away from the bad and yanking toward the good one. And every push adds energy to the swing. That's why the winds don't land soft. That's why the day after the big day, you're wrecked and you can't explain it. I coach people who force their way through everything, and they call it discipline. And sometimes it is. But force against a wall you resent isn't discipline. It's a fight you're having with yourself while you win the thing on paper. Here's the move. You take your hands off the wheel. You let the swing settle toward the center. Not no energy, just no wasted energy. And from the center, this thing happens. The options you couldn't see the whole time you were charged up, they come back into view. Frantic sees the wall. Centered sees the field of opportunity. So this week, when you catch yourself pushing, ask one question. Am I expressing this or am I forcing this? If you want to see where your own pendulum is swinging right now, I built a free tool. You can access it at somethingmustgive.com. Somethingmustgive.com. I'll leave you with this. What if identity first and then everything else finally works? Check out somethingmustgive.com.